Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's talk about something really interesting, cloud providers. Now, you might be thinking, what does cloud means, right? So, it is simple. Cloud means using the internet to store your data or run your programs instead of using your own computer or server. So, let's look at who gives these cloud services. The top cloud providers right now are Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud Platform, IBM Cloud, and DigitalOcean. Let's see what each one does. First comes Amazon Web Services, or simply AWS. It is the biggest and most used cloud platform in the world. AWS started in 2006 and it offers a lot of services like EC2 for running apps, S3 for storing files, and RDS for databases, and many more. So, big companies like Netflix and Instagram use AWS. That's why it is called the number one cloud provider globally. Next is Microsoft Azure. It is made by Microsoft and started in 2010. It is great for companies that already use things like Windows and Office 365. So, Azure is known for being safe and easy to connect with existing systems. Then comes Google Cloud Platform or GCP. So, it is Google Cloud Service and it's better for data, AI, and machine learning. Apps like YouTube and PayPal use Google Cloud. So, if you love working with data, GCP is great choice for you. Okay. So next we have IBM Cloud. IBM is very old and trusted company. It is old, okay, and it is very trusted one. So their cloud is mainly known for strong security and AI. It is used by many banks, hospitals, where data safety is very important. And finally, we have DigitalOcean. It is simple and perfect for students, developers, startups. It gives very easy servers called droplets. So these droplets used to host websites and apps quickly. If you are just starting your cloud journey, DigitalOcean is a nice place to begin. So, all right, now let's talk a bit more about AWS since it's the most popular one. So, AWS stands for Amazon Web Services. It is a cloud platform made by Amazon that helps people and companies use computing power and storage over the internet. Nothing but without buying their own servers, we use the servers over the internet. It is super flexible and used by many businesses. Let's talk about what is AWS actually. We know AWS is a Amazon Web Service. It is a cloud computing platform by Amazon that provides on-demand IT services like compute power, storage, AI and ML, databases, and networking, many others. It has 200 plus services. In simple words, AWS gives you services like computing, databases, and storage all in online. Okay. You can run your apps, store your data, and manage everything easily through the internet. That's it. So, why AWS is popular? So, AWS is popular because it is first to market and it has large network. It has most services, as I said, 200 plus services, and it is secure, cost effective, and more capacity, and it is fast and safe, and has almost every service you can think of. It is reliable too. Companies like Netflix, Instagram uses it daily, right? So the main key advantages of AWS is flexibility, cost effective, and security, scalability. So you can increase or decrease resources anytime. Nothing but it is scalable and it is secure and keeps your data safe. That is security. It has data centers all over the world. It is accessible globally. Okay. And it offers hundreds of services like EC2, S3, and RDS. So, these are the main cloud providers we learned about today. AWS, most popular and powerful. Azure, best for Microsoft users. Google Cloud, best for AI and data. IBM Cloud, it is very secure. And DigitalOcean, it is simple and easy. So all of them are good, but AWS still leads the world in cloud computing. So we will be discussing in our further classes about AWS services bit more. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Tell me in the comments which cloud provider do you like the most. And if you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy tech videos. Thank you.